Hello friends, welcome to my new tutorial of Google Analytics for enhanced e-commerce tracking. I'm Rahul Mondol, expert in Google Analytics for tracking from browser side and server side, Facebook conversion API, Google Ads conversion tracking, as well as LinkedIn tracking, etc. So if you need this service, hire me. I will set up everything very perfectly and in a customized and organized way through Google Tag Manager. This is the standard way to track everything through Google Tag Manager. So let's get started. In today's video I'll show you what are the enhanced measurement event, and to track some measurement event, to track scroll.event. So I'll show you. So what are the enhanced measurement events in Google Analytics 4? So go to your Google Analytics 4 and click on admin section, then scroll down, and here you can see the data stream. Click on data stream and click on data stream here, and you can see the setting here. Click on the setting, configure enhanced measurement. You can see page view is an enhanced measurement, scroll, outbound link, site search, form interaction, video engagement, file download. So these are the events which are automatically triggered, automatically fired. So in some website like school, this event, if you enable this one, when somebody come to your website and scroll 90% of any page, then this scroll event fired. But in some website like blog site or affiliate site, scroll event can be a good KPI. Suppose you want to track those people who score 10%, 20%, 50%, 75%. So how will you do that? So for that you have to track this scored event customly. So to track customly, just disable this option and save this. Then go to your Google Tag Manager, create a tag for it. Before that you have to enable something variable. You have to enable this variable, predefined variable, scroll. So scroll down and just enable these three variables, predefined built-in variables. So just select these three things, and now create tag. Click on new, scroll depth tag, HCRO scroll depth tag. GA4. Click on tag configuration. This is a GA4 event. Select your configuration tag. Here you just type percent scold. Here give a parameter name. Sorry, here you can just write scroll, HCROW, scroll, as it is scroll event, and here I'll paste percent scold, HCROW. So what you want how many people score 10%, like 25%, 50%, 75%. So if you want to track this, you have to in parameter section just write it like this, or and for value you have to select this, score depth threshold. You have to select this option if you want to see the percentage in the Google Analytics 4. So after that click on the trigger. So what will be trigger? So I have to create a trigger, scroll depth, GA4 scroll depth trigger. click on trigger, and this will be scroll depth. You can see here scroll depth. Select this scroll depth, and how you will track this, vertical or horizontal. So horizontal not possible, and we will track vertical. So here you can see, you can type here 10, 25, 50, 75, 90. So I will type here 10, 25, 50, 75, 90. So if anyone score 10%, the 10% scored event will be fired, and it will show on goal underscore 25%, 50%, 75%, 90%. So you can track all those visitors who scored 10% to 90%. So here you just select window load, because after window load this will be fired. So now just save this. I will check this whether these events are going or not. So go to the admin and debug view, click on debug view, and again go here, save this tag, and go to the preview mode again. Here the data is receiving. So just scroll this page and see the result here. Wait, you can see the scroll event has been fired. So let's see, click on scroll and source. Here you can see the percent is scored 10%. 10% is scored. When I scored 10%, it has been fired. And this is for 25%. So if I scroll the full page, I will scroll the full page, you will see the 90% of fired. One by one you will see. So just wait. You can see all scroll event are firing. Percentage scroll is 50%. This is 90%. So everything is working properly. So guys, if you want to set up all this tag very perfectly from browser side and server side, hire me. I will set up very organized and customized way. Thank you so much for watching my video.